Hey, kindergarten penguins, Miss Clayton here. I am so excited for another Wednesday of word work with you all. Are you ready? Before we get started, we have to sing our gathering song. We have to warm up our voices and get ourselves all together and ready to be word work kindergarten stars. So let's sing together. Our gathering song. We are gathering at our devices, Everyone is here now, finding their own space now. We are here. So the past couple of weeks in word work, we have been working together on isolating sounds in words. So that means that we are thinking about the sounds that we hear in words and where they are. Are they in the beginning, in the middle, or the end of the word? Today, we're going to learn something brand new. Let's take a look at our objective for today. I'll read it first, and then you'll help me read it again. We will add or substitute sounds in the beginning of words. All right, help me read it. We will add or substitute sounds in the beginning of words. A, B, C, K, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. And remember, we have 5 vowels. The letters that are outlined in pink are the vowels. A, E, I, O, U, So that word substitute is a really big word. Take a second and practice saying the word substitute. Very good. You all did such a great job. Now you may be thinking, Miss Clayton, what does substitute mean? Well, I want you to think about how we usually use the word substitute. When we talk about having a substitute teacher, that means you have a different teacher in your classroom than your normal teacher. So if I am absent, I will have a substitute, someone that takes my place for the day. It's the same thing when we think about sounds in words. We can substitute the sounds we hear in words. So we can take one word and change a sound in it to make a new word. What? That's so cool. We're going to talk all about that today, and then you're going to get the chance to do it. So let's get our super duper word work muscles and brains working, and let's go. Let me explain a little more about what I mean by that. So I am going to say a word. Then I am going to think about what sound I hear in the beginning of that word. And then I'm going to say a different sound in the beginning of that word to make it a completely new word. Let me show you what I mean. I'm thinking of a word, and the word is fan. What sound do I hear in the beginning of fan? I hear f. Very good. So I'm going to change f to t. Tan. Okay? Let's give it a try. Say run. Now change the to s. What word does that make? Say tag. Now change the t to b. Now what word does that make? Say let. Now change the l to b. Now what word does that make? Say cat. Now change the k to s. Now what word does that make? Say pin. Now change the p to f. Now what word does that make, friends? Say bug. Now change the b to m. Now what word does that make? Say luck. Now change the l to d. Now what word does that make? Last one. Say hot. Now change the h to p. Now what word does that make? Friends, great job. The first step is being able to hear the changes in those words. Next week, we are going to practice changing words and then writing them. Great job, friends. Keep up the great work, and I can't wait to see how hard you all work.